Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore. It is from Karnataka. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So I am going to include all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned in this video. So you can check in the description for the links to apply for these positions. So firstly, there is a job opening for Performance Campaign Manager. It is from Aeroscope Inc. So for this position, the candidates should have 1 to 5 years of experience in programmatic advertising industry and working on DSPs. So let us see what are the qualifications and the skills required to apply for this position. So graduation degree is required, fluency in English, and also 1 to 5 years of experience in launching, managing and optimizing campaigns using programmatic demands and platforms DSP, and at least 1 to 3 years of experience is required on different self-serve DSPs, example DV360, Trade Desk and AppNexus, and experience as a programmatic trader setting up and optimizing campaign strategies and knowledge of open RTB, DSPs, exchanges and different ad formats, and interpreting campaign data and providing strategic recommendations. Data analysis skill is a must. So you can check here with the rest of the skills mentioned here. So interested candidates, you please go through with all the details mentioned here and also in the description for the link to apply for the position. Next one, there is a job opening for Growth School. So they are hiring for ad media buyer, Facebook ads. So let us see what are the skills and the qualifications required to apply for this position. So the candidates are required 2 to 3 years of experience in strategizing and executing performance marketing campaigns on FB and Instagram, and ability to understand the target audience persona based on data provided, and ability to ideate and iterate product angles to breakneck speed in order to improve campaign conversion rates and also ROI metrics, and understanding of funnels and their associated metrics, and understanding of conversion copywriting and pattern interrupt ads, and ability to scale campaigns in identified markets rapidly based on ROI benchmarking, and a strong understanding of optimization tactics that impact ROI metrics, and ability to operate in a hyper-paced startup and thrive under pressure. So you should have some experience in edtech, e-commerce or digital agency would be an added advantage. So interested candidates, you please go through with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for campaign specialist. It is from Team for Progress Technologies. So let us see what are the skills and qualifications required to apply for this campaign specialist position. So the candidate should have good communication skills and strong knowledge on SQL, and good to know base SAS, SAS, and build and run campaigns using IBM Unica, SQL and SAS, and understand list selection criteria and ensure achievement of all objectives. And you need to create and send waterfall reports for campaign managers approval, and perform quality check and ensure quality in campaign implementation, and you need to coordinate with clients and prepare list for all campaigns. So these are the you can check with the other responsibilities mentioned here. So the work timings would be 12:30 p.m. To 9:30 p.m. So these are the work timings. Interested candidates, so please go through with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for ad operations executive. It is from MNC Saatchi Performance. So bachelor's degree is preferred for this position, and at least you should be having 1 to 2 years of experience in a similar role of digital experience, and you should have experience with planning and running PPC and digital campaigns and Google AdWords certification and or double click search certification, and you should have experience in Google Ads, FB, Business Manager, Twitter and LinkedIn, etc., and excellent knowledge of digital technology marketplace for either agency, media owner or ad tech background, and you should have strong analytical skills and must be able to analyze raw data, draw conclusions and develop actionable recommendations as needed, and you should have excellent communication skills both in verbal and written. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here, that is ad server experience and campaign manager 360 would be a plus, and you should have knowledge on Microsoft Excel and all these things. So interested candidates, you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for senior operations analyst campaign. It is from PhonePe. So let us see what are the qualifications and the skills required. So masters in sales or marketing, 2 to 3 years of experience in ad operations and collaboration skills, analytics teams and or operations. So you should have some experience in end-to-end campaign, executing in fast-paced environments management, and proficient use of Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Visio and Project, and preferred knowledge of SQL, HTML along with standard ad systems preferred. So these are the qualifications and the skills required. You can also check here with the roles and responsibilities for this senior operations analyst position. Coming to next one, there is a job opening for account manager mobile marketing. It is from AdCanopus Digital Media Private Limited. So let us see what are the responsibilities and the skills required to apply for this position. So coming to responsibilities, you need to generate sales among client accounts including upselling and cross-selling, and you should be having about 3 years of experience in digital media sales, digital agency or brand side, and creative on digital media ideas for brands to convert into business, and you should have hands-on experience with the digital media platforms such as search, social, ad structures, affiliate, web, mobile marketing, etc., and the candidate must be versatile enough to understand the scope, create plans and make sales. So and has ability to implement digital marketing programs for large brands and function. So and also you should be having the extensive knowledge in account management and business development, and hands-on experience in platforms such as HasOffer, Office, Cake and Offers Look or Plus. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities and the skills mentioned. So you can check in the description as well for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for performance marketing manager from Fleek. So let us see what are the skills and the experience required to apply for this position. So the candidate should have 2 to 4 years of experience in advertising, marketing or growth role, and directly managed performance app install campaigns on Google, FB and Instagram, and he should have excellent analytical skills and leverages data metrics, analytics and consumer behavior trends to generate creative ideas, and strong cross-functional skills and experience working with product, engineering, creative and analytics teams, and successfully communicates with a diverse set of technical and non-technical stakeholders and comfortable with developing organic growth strategies, and he should have experience working under tight deadlines and in a fast-paced environment, and strong project management, communication, organization and collaboration skills are required to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you please check with all the skills mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for campaign manager. It is from IM Solutions. So let us see what are the qualifications and the skills and the responsibilities mentioned here for this position of campaign manager. So you should have about 4 years of proven working experience in digital paid ad campaigns and also experience with Google, social media, native and other advertising products, and experience with the principles of creating an advertising campaign, composing audience targeting strategies, and generating ad creative for testing and optimizing for increased growth. And they are giving preference to the candidates with the certification in Google Ad Suite, Facebook Blueprint, etc. And you should have agency experience, and the candidates who have handled large amounts of campaigns are preferred for this position. So interested candidates, you can also check here with the job responsibilities, and also you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings available from Jugo Studios Private Limited. So they are hiring for the position of mobile game marketing strategist. So let us see what are the qualifications required. So the candidate should have required above 5 years of experience in marketing roles within gaming or entertainment industries, and proven mobile game marketing experience, and he should have experience in marketing mobile games, ideally casual game titles, and experience in managing external agencies and mobile games titles, and conceptual and creative thinker who is strategically centered. And he should have excellent storytelling and general communication skills in written and verbal. So fluency in English is must. All deliverables accepted in English. So he should have knowledge and passion for video games, from gamers titles to casual social games and entertainment as a whole. So these are the qualifications and the skills required. You please go through with all the details mentioned here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.